Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to attach this GoPro to this camera and combine the two to shoot BTS footage. So let's get started. And before we start this video, I want to talk about some of the reasons why you would want to hook up your GoPro to your mirrorless camera. In my case, I shoot weddings. I do BTS footage for my weddings, and I use those as tutorials to put on YouTube for you guys. And a lot of the times I don't have access to a shooter, somebody who can do video behind the scenes, or I just don't have the budget to pay somebody at the time. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It just kind of depends, and also depends on the wedding. So as a cheaper, budget-friendly option, we have a GoPro that we can mount onto the camera. But when you get your GoPro brand new in the box, it doesn't come with the necessary accessories for mounting a GoPro to a DSLR or mirrorless camera. So I'm going to show you in this video how we do that. Personally, for me, I like the POV perspective to do tutorials for YouTube. Having the GoPro on top of my camera while I'm shooting engagement sessions or weddings allows the viewer to see exactly what I'm doing and how I position myself in reference to the photo that I just took. Not only is it budget friendly and you get the POV view for your viewers, it is also probably the most easiest thing to do, which is just hit record on top of your GoPro and walk around with your camera during a photo shoot. And as always, guys, everything that we talk about in this video is going to be linked down below. And if you do purchase that, of course, I do get a commission. If you buy the little tripod mount, it's only a couple bucks, so I might get like a few cents out of it, but it does help out the channel. Any little link that you click on, I would appreciate it. So the first thing you're going to need this little GoPro tripod mount, and this mounting system allows you to hook up your GoPro, and then at the very bottom of that mount there's a 1/4 inch thread that allows you to screw something into that. So the next thing that we're going to screw into that tripod mount is this small rig magic arm. And what it is, it's a little flexible arm. It's got 2 joints and it's got that 1/4 inch thread. So what we're going to do, we're going to thread that into the tripod mount that we've attached to our GoPro. And then at the very bottom of that small rig magic arm, there is a little hot shoe mount clamp or cold shoe mount clamp, whatever you want to call it. And that is what we're going to do. And we're going to attach that to the top of our DSLR or mirrorless camera. And we're going to make sure it's snug. This is super important because I have dropped the GoPro so many times because it wasn't tight enough, and I've slid it off the camera hot shoe and it's fallen to the floor, especially during a wedding. I probably dropped it 3 or 4 times in an entire wedding because I just didn't clamp the little screws tight enough on the hot shoe. So that's something to keep in mind when you're attaching this to your camera. Make sure it's snug, or else your GoPro will fall off and slide out of the hot shoe. So once we have everything attached, we can use these little joints now to kind of position our GoPro. And in my case, I do position the GoPro in a way where it is kind of behind the camera just slightly. And then that's pretty much it. This is how I connect my GoPro to my DSLR or mirrorless camera. And if you guys haven't noticed, we have a change of scenery here. I am not back home where I usually film my videos. If you're new to this channel, or if you're a loyal subscriber, which by the way, hit the subscribe button, that would help out the channel, and don't forget to smash the like button. If you are a loyal subscriber or you're new to this channel, I have moved to 8 hours away from where I live currently. I am in Nacogdoches, Texas, and I took a travel assignment for nursing. And might be a big surprise to you that I'm not a full-time photographer. I'm a full-time photographer, but I'm also a full-time nurse. And if I apologize that I haven't posted a video in about 2 weeks. That is the reason why, because we've had to move, and I'm working 60 to 80 hours now at the hospital for this crisis contract nursing for COVID. And so it has been very hard to try and edit photos and also video and work 60 to 80 hours a week, and also try to spend time with the family. You kind of get where I'm going. But recently I had a couple of days off. I got to go home and see the family, see my mom and dad. Something that we don't see a lot of here in back home where I live is snow. And back where I'm at currently is in Nacogdoches. It was snowing, so that was also fun. We got to do snowman and play in the snow with the kids, because I've seen snow maybe like once in my life. And so that was something huge that we got to experience here in Nacogdoches. And it was just, it's been fun. I'm trying to get back into the swing of things and really forcing myself to make these videos because I am exhausted, if you can't tell. I've been working a lot. There's a lot on my plate right now, but I'm really trying to push some videos out for you guys. I've got like tons of videos in my head right now that I want to record this year for you guys, and we're gonna try and hit 1,000 subs this year. I know it's gonna happen because you guys have been hitting the like button, smashing the subscribe button. It has just been great. Every day I get notifications that somebody subscribed to the channel, and that means the world to me, guys. Anyways, I think that about wraps up this video. Just gave you a little intro as to what's going on in my life and what's kind of new for this year. This year, we're really going to start booking out a lot of weddings. I've got the video team with me now, and I'm offering photo and video, so expect a lot of BTS footage for weddings and video tips. A bunch of stuff is coming this year, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So if that's something that interests you, if you want any photography tips, video tips, audio, reviews, vlogging, everything that you can imagine, we're gonna do it this year. I promise you. Hit the subscribe button. I'm rambling. This video's gone long enough, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.